Hey everyone, it's Kim AngelDreamCrafts, and I'm here with my collaboration video for the love of vintage shabby chic with Sam the Scottish crafter, and we're going to be bringing you a project once a month for the rest of the year, the second Sunday of the month, every month for 2019, and there's like 28 of us, I think, and all the links to all of the ladies who are joining in the collab are in the description box below, so please go over if you're not subscribed to them and sub to them all. They're very talented ladies. I went to all their channels last month, saw all their beautiful videos, and I was so impressed with everything everyone made. Just amazing talent in this group of ladies. So this month, last month I did vintage, this month I decided to do shabby chic. And I was inspired by this beautiful ballerina picture that you see here. Sorry, just moving my chair there. And that was my kind of jumping off point. And the wall hanging is made on some doilies. The doilies are only this big. And this piece here around the edge is a collar piece that I was gifted from Olivia Hernandez. Hey Olivia. So I've had it in my stash for a while and I've been wanting to use it. And this was the perfect piece for it. I left it whole and it went just around the whole doily perfectly. So you can see the doilies are only this big, but the wall hanging is actually this big. So, you know, you don't have to have big doilies to do wall hangings. So there's the front of the collar piece. It's really super shabby. It's got tulle around it and it's got some beads, some little seed beads. And I just thought it said ballerina to me. So that was another piece that was inspiring to me. And I used this beautiful gold bow at the top. So the theme of this is like whites, shabby, and gold accents. So I believe Jane Marge sent me this. Hi Jane Marge. I'm pretty sure she sent me this one, and I loved it. It worked perfectly with this. This flower here, the shabby flower, was avocado dyed by Lacey Coelho. Hi Lacey. I have had a beautiful stash of laces that I've been hoarding that she sent me in our swap last year, so I thought it's really time for me to use them. So I got some of those out, and she avocado dyed this, and also the bridal trim here and here was also from Lacey. This is a collar piece that I had in my stash. These two pieces going up the side here, and then I cut some of the swirls and leaves off. This piece was from Lacey, as was this other shabby flower down here. The little ballerina charm here, which I will lift up closer to the camera so you can see it, that was in my stash. I love that charm. I have quite a few of them actually. I believe I got those on Ally. But I absolutely love them because they've got rhinestones in them. So I put her there. This heart here was made by Karen Billinger, and I believe, yes, it was an altered clip, paper clip, and I used it on here because I just thought it was so perfect. And all I did was, because it had the paper clip on it, I glued this piece of applique down, and then I have another one here which I didn't glue down all the way, and I slid the paper clip in behind it and then glued it down, so that's in there nice and sturdy now. But I loved it and I just thought it would work perfectly right there. So I added some shabby flowers from my stash here. These are satin flowers, and then these two flowers are also from my stash, as is this lacy heart with the pearl. This piece here, which I thought just spoke ballerina, is part of a collar piece that I was also given by Olivia. And I cut, there's a big piece on the top which I cut to use for another project, but I thought that the tulle would work really, really well. So I did that. And then this beautiful big gold and rhinestone bling was from Siobhan. Hey Siobhan. And underneath I've got some pink fringe, some dangle trim, and then another lace trim here. and then a dangle trim here. And then I've got this beautiful, gorgeous lace right here. This was gifted to me by Edwina Kinch, and it's pink and white. So I did that. And then underneath that is this beautiful, gorgeous lace here. And this was from Lacey as well, from my swap with her last year. So those are all the layers. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers of lace. You know, once you get going, you just can't stop, right? So there's 7 layers of laces and trims, and this gorgeous, I love this this collar piece here with the tulle and lace. It's so pretty. So yeah, that's basically my project. I hope you guys like it and that you will go along and check out all the ladies who are in the collab. Like I said, the links are in the description box down below. And stay tuned for next month, because it's the second Sunday of every month for the rest of the year. And we will all be bringing you collab videos for the rest of the year. So it's super fun, great way to make new friends. And yeah, it's just tons of fun. And I hope you guys like my project. And I will be back with another video soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.